In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to Middle. So the process is easy. Just make sure that you have Middle and Discord both installed and make sure that you are logged in both accounts. Now, once you are ready, you can just go to Middle, go to the top right as an example on your profile icon and click on settings. This should take you right here. So on this left panel, you'll find user settings and you can go and click on connected accounts. Or if you didn't find that, or you just don't want to find that's an example, just go and find connections or type connections here, as you can see at the top left. Then click on connections. Once you do so, you should be taken to here, to this option. Here you can add an account or add the connection. You have Discord, Roblox, Steam. You can here see many other more. As you can see now, I have a Google account connected with Middle. If you want to connect Discord as well, just go and click on Discord. As simple as that. So once you click on Discord, usually you should find yourself with this page as example on your browser. And basically here they're telling you if you have the Discord like app launched, you can just go and click on continue to Discord here. If you don't want to, an example, click on X, you just want to do it here online, you can do that as well. But for me, I'm just going to click on continue to Discord. So as an example, once I click on that, oh, I didn't allow this. Sorry, I should have before. So basically, once I click on that, I'll find my Discord app has basically this pop-out. So if you want to read this, it's basically will show you what's Middle will allow and or what's Discord will allow Middle to do. If you like it, you can click on authorize. If you don't, click on cancel, but you'll not be able to connect it. So just go and click on authorize here if you want the connection done, and you'll find connected with Middle. So you can invite friends and do whatever you want. And if you go here down, you'll find choose account to show in your profile. So first of all, this is connected. As you can see, you can show it in your profile or not. It's up to you, but here you are. It is connected. You can click on X example. If you want to disconnect this example, and it's very easy as well. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.